A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. Care about what other people think, and you will always be their prisoner. The journey of 1,000 miles begins beneath one's feet. Those who understand others are clever. Those who understand themselves are wise. Time is a created thing. To say, I don't have time, is to say, I don't want to. A leader is best when people barely know he exists. When his work is done, his aim fulfilled, they will say, we did it ourselves. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Silence is a source of great strength. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a simple step. If you do not change direction, you may end up where you are heading. Nothing is softer or flexible than water, yet nothing can resist it. 5 steps to happiness. Smile more, think less, be present, give more, expect less. The 6 best doctors: sunshine, water, rest, air, exercise, and diet. I have just 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. A tree that is unbending is easily broken. Be attentive to your thoughts. They are beginning of actions. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. The highest good is like water. Water gives life to the 10,000 things and does not strive. When you are content to be simply yourself and do not compare or compete, everyone will respect you. The softest thing in the world overcomes the hardest things in the world. Mastering yourself is true power. Thanks for being a part of UB Motivation. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.